The bidet should, no, I think this one sprays right up your butthole. This one sprays around your ass. Look!
Oh my god, it's gonna stick!
Oh! Yo, you're shooting up my ass. It's actually shooting up my ass right now.
Attention please, this is the final call for Korean Air Flight 911.
Tomorrow for sure. We finally made it to Tokyo, Japan. I can't believe I'm actually here. This has like been my top vacation spot for the last 5 years. I've been saying I want to go every single year. I don't end up doing because you know why? I hate flying. I hate being on planes. I can manage a 3-hour flight, no problem. 5-hour flight from my Ottawa to LA, no problem. But when you tell me 13 goddamn hours to get somewhere, but I've just seen way too many videos on YouTube. This place looks beautiful, and from like the 10 minutes I've seen so far, and it was raining first of all, it's amazing. Like look at this Instagram I just took like literally 5 minutes ago. Beautiful, right? It looks like it could be in a movie. I do have to tell you guys, for my Japan vlogs and for the next few weeks, I can't do my intermittent fasting. There's no way. Like the time difference is just way too confusing. Like I have to put my diet aside. Hopefully I don't gain all of the fat in my face. Like, you know, you see the cheekbones coming out, mommy. But that just means I have to go hard in the gym. Like maybe I can do these food eating videos here, but then when I get back to the hotel, bring my fat ass, potato ass to the gym. First flight was pretty good. The second one, let's ask past Dave himself. Yo, what's good? Yo, what's good, future Dave? It's past Dave here. We're on the second flight, 13 hours. We're going from Chicago all the way to Narita Airport in Tokyo, Japan. Yeah, too bad I didn't sleep at all. I mean, maybe max out of the 13 hours, I slept 30 minutes, which is not what you want to do when you're trying to defeat jet lag, because now I'm in for one hell of a ride. That's just something I'm gonna have to deal with. Like, yo, future Dave. What? Past Dave. I think you have a little booger up your nose. Really? Where? Yo, take that out, bro. That's disgusting. Chill, bro. I'm digging. But not only am I excited to do a little hotel review for you guys, but I want to test out the Japanese toilets here, because Japan is so highly advanced technologically, is that a word? Technologically, that their toilets are insane. There's like heated seats, there's a bidet, there's a thing that shoots up your butt. I've never done any of that, so I'm trying to test that out right now. So here is our Tokyo hotel room. I don't want to be too loud because there's like, you know, people are sleepy, people have work tomorrow. We managed to get a pretty decent looking hotel. Check it out. Here's the little foyer area. How do you turn this light on though? Japan is so technologically advanced. All you have to do, watch this light right here. It's gonna turn on when I clap.
Don't kill me. You know what that is? That's a speaker.
A speaker. Holy
you
shit,
freaking...
oh my god. The thing with Japanese bathrooms is you'd expect to pour the door open like this. It's always in, so here we go. One thing you guys should always know in Japan is whenever there's a change in level, like look, and it goes up or it goes down, that means you have to wear slippers. Take our slippers, and now we can go into the bathroom. Clean, clean, clean. What the hell? You press down and it flushes? Where have you seen a warm seated freaking toilet and a deodorizer? Oh, look over here. It sprays up your tushy.
So what's that?
Oh, and the water pressure? I don't know. We need to test this. This is crazy. So I love these washrooms because you could do so much stuff in such a confined area. Like they just have everything provided for you. Check this out. Come over here. This basket of goodies. We got a shower cap, a cotton pad, and cotton swabs. Everyone thinks you use this for your ear. You actually use it to like rim the outside of your butt. Then this. Tell me what hotel gives you toothbrushes. Tokyo doesn't want you to have stanky breath. And I think
Yeah, yours is disgusting. Like,
mine is really bad
I've
right
been
now.
telling you.
Look at the brush and the little toothpaste. It's so cute. Why do I need a hairbrush?
Oh my gosh,
What
yeah.
the hell? Look at this. That's sick, bro. I brush my hair. Oh, big valves. And then a razor. I don't get hair because I'm Asian, so I probably won't be using this.
You
Okay.
grow like 4 hairs on your chin, and that's about it.
Actually,
and
I've
it
been
flies
growing.
in the wind.
I've been growing a lot more recently in the chin area and the moustache. Some nice 2 towels here. Hand soap. Face and hand soap. Wait, what is this? I don't know what this bottle
All
is.
in one purpose product. Face care, hair care, body care. So it's a face wash, it's a shampoo, and
A
it's
body wash.
A
It's
body
like
wash,
all in
yeah.
one. But then they also give it over here too. And they label it nice. Shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. What's this? Oh, so you rest your head on. That, so I can take a nice bathy. Here's the big myth in Japan that apparently the water that comes out is blue. Let's test it out. Oh my god. This is gonna be my first time using a Japanese toilet that has like
A bidet.
A
What's it
bidet.
called? A bidet.
So did I go through everything? This one sprays your butt cheeks, I think. The bidet no, I think this one sprays right up your butthole. This one sprays around your ass, and then you can change the pressure of it. So it could really shoot up there if you want it to. And then this is flush. Okay, let's just see a regular flush. Okay, alright.
Click the spray.
Now let's click this. I'm gonna click the spray and you film this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe it needs to detect that you're actually sitting on
Oh
it.
yeah, facts. Film me from over there.
Are you?
I'm gonna put a picture here so you guys can't see, but I'm actually pressing it. Oh! Yo, shooting up my ass. It's actually shooting up my ass right now. Wow! It actually feels kind of nice.
Would you say you need? Would you say you need toilet paper?
Holy shit!
You still need toilet paper?
No! Bro, I'm turning up the pressure. It's shooting hard. No! It's going. Stop. Okay, let's try the bidet now.
Still going up your ass?
Oh, this one's like cleaning my. Okay, this is too much information, but it's not shooting up. The butthole is around it. I kind of want you guys to see.
Okay, then like
Okay, here we go. Spray. Look.
Oh my god, it's gonna
Shit. Holy shit. We didn't think that through. It shot up. Look at this, the freaking seat. So we're gonna redo it this time, but I'm gonna hold this towel right in front of it so it shoots the towel. But I really want you guys to see how a Japanese toilet works. So let's try this again.
It's coming out.
Look at it. Look at that spray. It's cleaning my butthole. Okay.
Okay, stop.
Holy smokes. As you can see, it really shoots up there. Now that I have a clean little tushy, we can move on to the rest of the room right here. As you can see, we have a comfortable bed. Let's, if it's comfortable. Yeah, that's pretty comfortable.
What are those on the bed?
We got 2 sleeping sets, pajamas, pretty big vabs. Over here, they have like a nice Japanese style desk. Like, look at this. What is this? I love this little touch here, the phone. And then we have some menu to do room service, all that good stuff. Nice little clock so you know the time. And what is this over here? It gives you a phone that you can literally, what is this? Take me out, I am your free travel buddy. Wow.
Yes.
So literally you can take this phone and it'll give you maps and whatever so you don't get lost in Japan. People would steal these phones in like a week
Yep, for
if they had that in Canada. Here we go again. Japan, always high technology. Watch this. Alright, then we have tissue papers and
Jewelry? I don't know, coins?
traditional Japanese sliding door yangs. Check this out. Behind here, over here again, the cabinet, very Japanese-esque type vabs. You got the English tea, the hot water. I don't know where the coffee is. Let's see. Nope, it's just tea, a bunch of teas. So this cute little refrigerator gives you some water. This is our little nice hotel for Tokyo. Can't wait to make a ton of videos while I'm here. Comment down below what you think I should do, like eating videos, attractions, all that good stuff. Comment down below. And if you want Arcade Dave to come back, this is the place to do it. I heard Japan has insane arcades, so smash that like button for Arcade Dave to return. But I hope you guys enjoyed that hotel review and the crazy, crazy Japanese toilet. These next few videos on my channel are about to be insane, so I hope you guys are excited. Go to my David Parody Plays channel. I'm also uploading on that channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys. Oh wait, arigato gozaimasu. I think I just said good morning. Shit, how do I sign off? How do I say bye? Opposite of konnichiwa.